For Unit 2, we're going to be looking at our energy yielding nutrients, and we're going to have a chapter for each of these. So those are going to be carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. So you're going to have chapter 4 is going to be about carbohydrates, chapter 5 about lipids, and chapter 6 about proteins. And for each of those, you're going to be learning about the composition of them, their roles in the body, what our needs are for them, what are dietary sources for them, what happens if we have deficiencies or excesses of them. So that's what we're going to be starting off with in Unit 2. And then Chapter 7 in Unit 2, there are 4 chapters in Unit 2. Chapter 7 is going to be discussing energy balance. And what we'll look at in that is going to be our energy intake versus our energy expenditure, and what happens if we're expending more than we're taking in. What happens if we're taking in more than we're expending? So we'll be looking at those things. You're going to have essay assignments for chapters 4, 5, and 6, and you're going to have a quiz for chapter 7. And for all 4 of those chapters, you're going to have a discussion assignment. So you'll have a chapter discussion assignment for each of those. And for the unit as a whole, you're going to have a unit exam, and you're also going to have a unit discussion assignment. So it's going to be set up the same kind of way as Unit 1 was. It's going to follow the same type of pattern with your weekly assignments, your chapter assignments, and your chapter discussion, and then followed up by a unit test and a unit discussion. So if you have any questions, please let me know.